So .NET has its own implementation of the stack class, and I want to go ahead and demonstrate this by walking through some of this code here. So as you can see here, we have a method called demo stack, and we create a collection with some names in a stack. And we do this by invoking push for each instance. Then right below, what we're going to do is just print out to the console the names by iterating through the collection. On line 34, we will invoke pop for one of the items and then check to see what's going to be the next item by invoking peek, and that's done on line 36. And then on 37, we go ahead and pop again. On line 40, we create a copy of the stack using the toArray method and the constructor that accepts an IEnumerable, which lets us pass in an array. And below that, we have a for each loop that iterates through and writes out the content of the first copy to the console. On 48, we create an array twice the size of the stack and copy the elements of the stack starting at the middle of the array. On line 51, we create a second stack, and then we print out to the console that we're going to write out the second stack and do that by iterating through on line 55 through 58. And then we just check to see if stack 2 contains data. And that returns a Boolean value to the console. And then we clear the stack and write out to the console the count. So let's go ahead and run this to see the output. I'll make sure that my project is set as the default. It is. Control F5. And there we go. Our default content in the stack with the names, Edith, Dana, Candy, Bobby, and Andrew. Then we're going to be popping Edith. And right below that, we look to see what is going to be the next item to be destacked by invoking peek. And it says that it's Dana. So now after the peek, we're popping Dana. And now we have the new contents of the first copy, which just has Andrew, Bobby, and Candy. And right below that, we have a second copy that has duplicates and nulls. And so that's why you see these blank spaces under Candy. And below, we then check to see if the stack 2 contains Dana, and it's false, which is accurate because Dana is not there. And then we clear the stack and return the count. And that's it.